You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennings, chairman and founder of BridgehouseLaw in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is an authentic leader? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennings. Picture this. You are on a transatlantic flight from Amsterdam Schiphol to Los Angeles, and the flight attendant serving you snacks and beverages is no other than Marjan Rintel. Yes, that Marjan Rintel, the CEO of KLM. Sounds like a scene from a movie, right? Well, buckle up, because it actually happened. In a bold move to understand her customers and staff, Rintel swapped her executive chair for an apron and took the skies as a flight attendant. But why would a CEO do this, and what can we as global business leaders learn from her experience? In a world where authenticity is highly valued, Rintel's decision to work as a flight attendant comes as a commitment to truly understanding the ins and outs of the company. In order to be an authentic leader, that's exactly what you need to do, understand the details. By stepping into the shoes of her employees and also by seeing firsthand the knowledge of the daily challenges and their triumph, she can be a better leader. This not only helps her to make a better and a more informed decision, but also to see a sense of camaraderie and trust amongst the staff. After all, who would not appreciate a boss who was willing to roll up the sleeves and get the hands dirty? It also helps in connecting with customers. As global business leaders, it is important for us to understand what are the needs and desires of our customers. By serving customers directly, Rintel was able to observe their reactions to KLM services and gather valuable feedback. This hands-on approach allowed her to identify areas to improve, to better tailor and to fine-tune the offerings, and to meet the customer expectations. Where else could you feel better what the customer really wants when you're in direct communication with them? Rintel's actions show that she's not afraid to go the extra mile or even several thousand miles to understand that her customers are happy. I remember years ago at one transatlantic flight where I sat next to a person who got very busy with the flight attendants. We both sat on a business class seat and were neighbors, and everybody was trying to be so kind to her. And she leaned over to me and said, "Don't you worry, it's not that you're not getting the attention. It is just because I'm a very important person in the organization, and I'm here to fly and to observe a different new food which is being offered in the different cabins." And then she asked me, "How do you like this? How does it taste to you? How do you appreciate this? How do you feel about this?" Overall, this was great to be in touch with someone from the C-level, but it was a very different experience if she would have been in the other side, not on the customer side, not on the chair next to me, but serving and talking. "Do you like this extra new pizza? How did it taste to you?" Not bad for plain food. But there are also operational insights. There's no better way to spot operational issues than to experiencing them firsthand. By working as a flight attendant, Rintel was able to potentially see the bottlenecks, to see the inefficiencies of the processes. This unique perspective allowed her to take a deeper dive and to benefit the overall company's performance. Is one trip enough? Maybe not, but it's a beginning. Maybe she inspires other leaders of her board to do the same on different routes, short distance, long distance, whatever makes sense, to check where is the quality of the product. In an industry as competitive as aviation, every second counts, every move counts, and therefore her hands-on approach sees really a better way of improving the company operations. While Rintel's actions may also be seen as a publicity stunt, they may have legal implications. In working at the front line, she understands what regulations are really followed through. Are all the written instructions to the team followed, and are they maybe even useful? It helps her to navigate some more complex legal issues with regard to flight safety and flight operations. Marjan Rintel's decision to fly as a flight attendant is a powerful example how we as global business leaders can benefit from stepping out of our comfort zones to immerse ourselves in the day-to-day operations of our companies. In doing so, this can all foster a more authentic connection to staff, as well as a better understanding to customers, and to identify opportunities for improvement. So are you ready to take a page from Rintel's playbook and dive in headfirst into the trenches of your own business? What unique insights might you uncover by stepping into the shoes of your employees? And how could these experiences shape the future of your company? The sky is the limit. Buckle up.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridgehouse Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridgehouse Law, business-minded, client-focused.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.